Hi, I'm Coleman from JAXenter.com, and I'm here today with Java champion and JAX 2015 speaker Adam Bean. Adam, one of the things you're going to be talking about this year is JavaFX 8. Perhaps you can get us started with a quick summary of what's happening in the world of JavaFX at the moment in 2015.
Okay, in 2015, so JavaFX is shipped with Java 8, and lots of projects are using JavaFX as replacement or enhancement of Swing. So there's a desktop toolkit which is installed with Java, actually. Yeah. And what happens in 2015? Not a lot, but there's lots of excitement. So lots of people are using JavaFX for crazy things, but it didn't happen a lot from Oracle or Java perspective.
Okay.
From community perspective, it happens a lot.
Okay, cool. So another thing you're going to be looking at is comparing JavaFX 8 to HTML5, and which one is more suited to a short to mid-term solution. Is that a question that can be easily answered at all?
I think it can. So what happened this year is or even last year, I was asked multiple times by companies about long-term strategies or mid-term strategies regarding UI toolkits. And they always say, what about HTML5 compared to JavaFX? And you cannot compare this because in my eyes there is no HTML5 project out there. What people are using in HTML5, they have to decide for a framework, like for instance Angular or Ember. And the next decision is a build tool like Gulp or Grunt. The next decision is a preprocessor like Less, SAS or Stylus. And my observation is probably each of these frameworks will not outlive JavaFX. So if you compare JavaFX to Angular or JavaFX to Ember, then I would say the probability is higher than JavaFX will last longer than Angular 1, for instance. Because if we start with Angular 1 right now, or it's already known, then Angular 2.0 won't be compatible. So I mean, right. Asking about HTML5 is not the right question to ask. Okay,
wow. So that's an interesting point then. Other frameworks might not outlive JavaFX then. You've spoken about JavaFX being a future-proof technology. What is it about JavaFX that is future-proof then?
So future-proof, I would say, what means future, right? And for an app and UI, I would say 2 to 5 years is okay. So I would say if JavaFX fits well, you could start with JavaFX now, build something quickly. It will, and you can kill it in 2 or 5 years, and then migrate to something more stable than HTML5. So I don't think that JavaFX will kill HTML5. This is not my opinion. But what I think is, right now JavaFX is more stable than HTML5 is.
Right. Okay. Cool. So on a completely different topic, you're also going to be speaking about Nashorn, and especially from the perspective of the Java EE developer, right?
Yes.
So what is it that's interesting about Nashorn, which is now built into Java 8? From version 8, right? For a Java EE developer.
Yes. First, Nashorn is just JavaScript in Java 8. It's a very fast one. Very well integrated with Java. And for Java developer, the first interesting thing is automation. For instance, yesterday I had to find some problems in the log files. So I built a quick parser with Nashorn on Java 8, and it was a very pragmatic solution. It took me 20 minutes, and I was ready to go with this. Then, deployment, starting servers, you can use Nashorn as a system scripting language, which is very, very convenient. This is the most obvious and, I would say, least intrusive usage of Nashorn. Then you can, of course, embed Nashorn into the application. What do you gain from that? Flexible checks, validation rules, algorithms. It is easier to use Nashorn than write your own parsers, for instance. What you can also do, of course, you can use Nashorn to start Java. One example would be I created an integration solution where you can very easily map with JavaScript, input to output, and be able to read database and output it to Excel without recompiling the solution, for instance. Whatever you need flexibility and you don't like to redeploy the application, Nashorn might be the right answer.
Wow, sounds great. Cheers for your time, Adam.
Thank you.
Have a great JAX, and thank you all for watching.
Thank you very much.